Hello, respected ma'am. My name is Harjot Singh, Hanson ID H10006139. Here, I would like to read article The Importance of Communication in Customer Service. Communication is not just part of customer service; it is the most important part of customer service. That is because good customer service requires listening to customers' need and then telling them how you plan to meet those needs. In other words, communicating with your customer. Customer service communication example. Every aspect of customer service is filled with communication between customer and the company. While the most obvious customer service communication examples would be those between customer who has a problem and the customer service agent assigned to help him. A customer does not need to reach out the customer support department in order to communicate with the companies. Some of many situations that involve customer service communication include when a shopper enters a store and see price tag. This communicates that customer must pay for an item. When a client visits a company website, read about the service the business offers. When a bank teller makes small talk with an account holder who is depositing check. When a company needs sends an email about a data breach to those who have been affected. Result of positive communication. When you begin to recognize how frequently a company communicates with the customer, it is easy to see the importance of communication skills in customer service. The benefit of good communication with customers are numerous, but they may include leaving them with positive feeling when interacting with your company, which will make them want to continue doing business with you even and after they encounter problems, and reduce the likelihood that they will leave you for your competitors. Letting them know that you understand the importance of meeting customer needs and are willing to do what it takes to keep them happy, improving customer loyalty, giving them peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you will do whatever it takes to fix it, which may translate customer being willing to spend more on your product or service, making them comfortable with bringing their problem to your attention, which can help you recertify the issues before the negatively impact other clients, or it can even result in innovations. Creating feeling of trust by not only listening to their needs but also being transparent with customer about everything that may affect their experience, from pricing information, shipping delays to product recall and data breaches. Associating your brand with positive values such as transparency, honesty, and good corporate governance. Showing your value your customer, you do not take them for granted, which could result in free word of mouth marketing when shoppers tell their friends about their experiences. How to improve communication? Many companies wait until a customer contacts them before worrying about customer service. This is a mistake, as it only focuses on one of the many type of communication in the full customer service experience. Business that truly recognize the importance of communication skill in customer service instead look at all interactions with their customer and try to make each step as effective and positive as possible. When you want to improve customer service communication, do not just look at the end stage where an irate shopper gets touched when things go wrong. Instead, try these suggestions. Start the first stage of communication with your patron and try to what you can minimize the number of things that can go wrong before they happen. Clearly label product service so shopper know what expect or what not expect. Be transparent with your prices, warranties, and service limitations. Use positive language when communicating with customers, whether online, in store, or over the phone. Do not say, "We are out, we cannot send more until 15th." Instead, you could say, "While there are not any stock right now, we can place an order that will ship to you on 15th." When you aware problems that may affect customer, be proactive and notify them. Do not make them come to you. If something bad happen, always try to make them things right for customer, even if cost you a bit more in the short term. A loyal customer is greater return of on investment. Thanks.